Good morning, dear children. Today we started our first chapter of Civics, Indian Constitution, the explanation part of that chapter. That summary, how to read it. Then we are starting our point number first. Why does the country need a constitution? You know the what is mean the constitution. Yesterday I given you some of the hard words, keywords. So what is the meaning of the constitution? Constitution means a rule, a set of the rule which is need for govern any type of the country. So we are see here the one picture is given in the 1934. The Indian National Congress made the demand for the Constitution Assembly during the Second World War. This assertion for an independent Constitution Assembly formed only of Indians gained momentum, and this was convicted in December 1946. The photo on the page second shows some members of the Constitution Assembly. Here are the some members and they are making the constitution for the country. Now today the most countries in the world have a constitution. While all the democratic countries are likely to have a constitution, it is not necessary that all the countries that have a constitution to are democratic. Means every country must have their own constitution, but it is not we can say ki the constitution is there, it means this country, that particular country is the democratic country. The constitution serves the several purpose. First, it lays out certain ideals that form the basis of the kinds of country that we as the citizen aspire to live in. Or put another way, a constitution tells us what the fundamental nature of our society is. A country is usually made up of the different communities of the people who share certain beliefs but may not necessarily agree on all the issues. A constitution helps serve as a set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon as the basis of the way in which they want the country to be governed. This includes not only the type of the government but also an agreement on the certain ideals that they all believe the country should uphold. Means what is why we need of the constitution is given here. We need the constitution for upholding our country. uh, we need the countries need a constitution to formulate the ideas on which a country is based, in which ideas the country is based. The country is made up of the different communities, you know. In every country we found the different communities, beliefs and ideas people. The constitution helps to create a set of rules and regulation to govern the country and govern that particular means all type of the people. It also set a certain ideas that a country believes in. In other way, a constitution tells us what is the basic nature of our society. What is the basic nature of our society? The constitution plays a crucial role in laying out certain important guidelines that govern decision making with these societies. So, for that decision, for the purpose of decision, for the purpose of agreement, is all thing we need the constitution. It means the constitution, with the help of constitution we can कीप और कंट्री इन वन एम्पल, एक छत्र छाया के नीचे हम अपने कंट्री को रख सकते हैं. तो लेट्स सी हियर द कंट्री ऑफ नेपाल. नेपाल एग्जाम्पल वन, नेपाल्स एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन हियर. द कंट्री ऑफ नेपाल हैज़ विटनेसेस सेवरल people struggle for democracy. Means there was no democracy. There was the people struggling in 1990 till 1990. There was no democracy that established democracy that lasted for the 12 years until 2002. In October 2002, the king is here. His name is the Gyanendra. Citizen is the most uprising in the countryside as his reason. Began talking over different aspects of the government with the army assistance. The king then finally took over as the head of the government in February 2005. In November 2005, the Moise joins other political parties to sign 12 points agreement. This agreement signed to the later public in the imminent return to the democracy and peace. In 2006, this people movement for the democracy began gain immense force. It rapidly refused the small concessions that the king made. The finally April 2010, the king restored the third parliament and asked the people political party to form a government in 2008. Nepal became a democracy after abolishing the monarchy. The above photos show the scenes from the people movement for the democracy 6. So in the next video it is there is given key some leaders which in the democracy we choose the some leader. It means the people choose some leaders and that the leaders are very very important. So through that story we are going to know ki how the leaders are important in the democracy. That we will see in our next video.